Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the ozone. So what is ozone? So first thing first, Earth's atmosphere is made of 6 layers. The first layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and also exosphere. So you can find the ozone molecule in the stratosphere layer. Ozone is a molecule that contains 3 atoms of oxygen. So do you remember when we are little, our parents asked us to wear sunscreen every time we want to go out? Are you curious about that? Why do our parents ask us to wear sunscreen? So this sunscreen is protecting us from the UV light from the sun. UV light is a bad ray that can damage our skin. Ozone layer is like the Earth's sunscreen. The ozone layer absorbs 98% of the ultraviolet that is entering the atmosphere. But day by day, the ozone layer is getting thinner and thinner because of human activities. So that is all about the introduction of ozone, and I hope that you guys understand what is ozone.
Okay, how ozone works. The sun emits electromagnetic radiation at different wavelengths, meaning energy at different intensities. The atmosphere acts like a multi-layer shield that protects Earth from dangerous solar radiation. High level or good ozone occurs in the stratosphere and accounts for the vast majority of atmospheric ozone. The stratospheric ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet UV radiation, preventing dangerous UV rays from hitting Earth's surface and harming living organisms. UV rays cannot be seen or felt, but they are very powerful and change the chemical structure of molecules. UV radiation plays a small role in global warming because its quantity is not enough to cause the excess heat trapped in the atmosphere. UV radiation represents a small percentage of the energy from the sun and is not highly absorbed or scattered in the atmosphere, especially when compared with other wavelengths like infrared. But ozone depletion is also concerning because it directly impacts the health of humans and other living organisms.
The effect of ozone depletion for humans and the environment. Ozone layer depletion causes increase the UV radiation level at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Negative effects include increase in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. UV radiation also affects terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems, altering growth, food chains, and biochemical cycles. Aquatic life just below the water surface, the basis of the food chains, is particularly adversely affected by high UV levels. UV rays also affect plant growth, reducing agriculture productivity.
So it seems that ozone plays a major role in keeping us alive. However, did you know that there is a negative effect of ozone that can cause serious health problems? This type of ozone is called ground level ozone or bad ozone, and you do not want to be near this gas at any cost as it is a toxic atmospheric pollutant. Ground level ozone is ozone substance that exists in the troposphere level, and unlike the Earth's natural ozone layer, ground level ozone is created by humans. Human activities such as transportation, fossil fuel burning, and industrial power plants will emit nitrogen dioxide and hydrocarbons and release it to the atmosphere. Then with the presence of sunlight, ozone will be formed. Most ground level ozone get produced during the afternoon, where temperature is high and sunlight is brightest. It will then only deplete at night, but usually takes a few hours to do so. Ozone is a harmful oxidant. If we inhale it, it will irritate our lung tissue, causing a harsh and burnt feeling, which will then lead to respiratory problems. It's not just humans that are susceptible. plants and crops will also be affected by these ground-level ozone, as it will disrupt photosynthesis. Not only that, but to make matters worse, ground-level ozone increases when temperature increases, and that is occurring more frequently with climate change. Now, can you see how badly the ozone can affect us?
So, in conclusion, we want to suggest that we can see from overall of this topic, we can conclude that ozone is so important to us. So, it is protector instead of become the polluter, because it defends us from harmful UV ray which actually can damage us. This UV ray can make human has skin cancer, which is critical disease to us because it can kill us. This is because if there is no ozone layer at all, we cannot live on this earth. So, this is a few things we can do to avoid this ozone layer to be thin and maintain it. Firstly, we can avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer. Due to their content or manufacturing process, some of the dangerous gases are like chlorofluorocarbons, halogenated hydrocarbon, methyl bromide, and nitrous oxide. Next, we can minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban, bicycle, or walking. If you use a car to a destination, try to carpool with others to decrease the use of cars in order to pollute less and save. That's all from us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it to spread the knowledge, okay? Thank you.